Hey y'all, Jen Hernandez, Loan with Jen. Today we're talking about how long does an appraisal stay? How long is an appraisal good for in a mortgage transaction? We'll be right back. Hey, we're back. If you're new to the channel, I give mortgage tips and education, our library of videos, over 200 videos to save you hours of research online. So please like, share, and subscribe. Today we're talking about for how long does an appraisal stay? So there's three types of main loans in the regular real estate market. So there's conventional loans, there's government loans, which is comprised of FHA, VA for veterans, or USDA. So appraisals, I'll start with conventional loans. So appraisals on conventional loans are not able to switch from lender to lender in most cases. Now, if you have an appraisal that's done and you need to switch lenders for whatever reason, and it's a private lender or maybe a local bank or something, they might accept it, but it's rare. And the reason is because in 2008, when the whole mortgage industry, people call it meltdown, but we'll just call it fiasco. When all of that happened, there was a ruling or a compliance that happened called the HVCC, the Home Valuation Code of Conduct. And that put pressure on the lenders to make sure that everything was arm's length. Arm's length means it's out of reach, it's not close at hand, and there's less likelihood of having fraud. So there's less likelihood of fraud at that time. So the Home Valuation Code of Conduct, HVCC, mandates that we originate and certify that we, the lender, ordered the appraisal using this arm's length round robin system, and that the appraisal was ordered with all the integrity possible. So because of this, conventional loans are not able to transfer from lender to lender. So if we accept an appraisal from another lender, how are we able to certify how it was ordered? We can't. So that's the reason. Now, the second types of appraisals are government loans. So FHA loans, Federal Housing Administration, and VA loans, the Veterans Administration, are different on this issue. So FHA loans require a 4-month time period that the appraisal is good for, and it can switch from lender to lender. So when an FHA appraisal is ordered, it's assigned a case number, and this case number goes with the appraisal. So let's say that a certain property has an FHA appraisal and it doesn't close for whatever reason, and then the next buyer comes along for that same property. The lender's going to pull an FHA case number on that property, and they're going to be stopped, and they're going to find out that, oh my gosh, this property on ABC Street already has a case number. So we as the lender have to go back to the other lender and request the appraisal be transferred. So whatever the value was on that appraisal, whatever it was, that value has to stay for 4 months, 120 days. Now on a VA loan, it's 6 months. So the appraisal will stick for 6 months on that home. If it doesn't sell with one buyer and the next buyer comes along and it's another VA buyer, they would have to use that appraisal. Now if it's a VA buyer and it's got a VA case number, then it can get a new FHA loan, a new FHA appraisal. They're two totally different things. So again, I hope it's a lot of information on this video. Hope that you found it useful. Contact your local lender. We're a big proponent of local state lenders in the state that you're buying in. Ask them how this involves you, and we'll talk to you soon. Legacy Mutual Mortgage is an equal housing opportunity lender. The opinions expressed here do not reflect those of Legacy Mutual Mortgage.